Hi, it's Jonathan Wilson here again. This time around, I'm not going to do a video demonstration for a WordPress tutorial. What I'm actually doing is I'm going to show you something that I've found which I think is highly beneficial. Will definitely speed up the process. And what this is basically is a video library, because this is the product that I'm reviewing at this point. And instead of wasting too much time, I've decided, well, I'll spill the beans and show you that for $47, which is great because they're showing you the price straight up. They're not buttering it up by these long sales pages, 3 meters long, and these sales videos and all these bullet points and blah blah blah. They're getting straight to the point. It's a step by step system, and it will take you from pretty much um, from beginner to advanced. You sort of progress at your own pace, and without a shadow of doubt, to learn WordPress is visual. Although you do get contextual data and things like that, but it's very hard to follow. But if you had, say, the video on the left and the operations of the side of your dashboard, WordPress on your right, you could work very well between the two and actually apply the applications, and pause and rewind the videos that will best suit. Now, for $47, you get 79 videos. I mean, that's a massive amount of information, and obviously a 60-day risk-free. What I'll do is I'm basically going to run through this tutorial system, and I'm going to randomly pick some videos that I'll be doing. Obviously, I've done a fair few at this point, but just to show you the sort of training systems that they have, I'll just go through the sample one and see what they're going to go on about here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your WordPress dashboard. So once you are logged in to your WordPress account, there are a few things you can do to make your WordPress blog look the way you want it to look.
Yeah, what he's going to do is, I'm not going to go into it, but what he's going to do is going to explain how you can move things around, you can set things the way you want to basically customize your dashboard that would suit yourself, because obviously everybody's different in the way they work. Let's see what the next video is about.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress plugins automatically from your WordPress dashboard.
Okay, what he's going to do here is there's an option here where it's got plugins. He's going to go to add new plugins, and then he's going to show you how to upload it directly from your dashboard. At a guess, I'm sure that's what
So
he's
to
going to
get
do.
started, just log in to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins, then click on add new. So this is the main plugins installation page.
Yeah,
Now,
okay, so what he's going to do is going to explain that there's an upload button here, which is basically you can upload the latest plugin, because WordPress is basically a framing, and what you've got to do is you got to tweak it up and snazz it up by using plugins and themes. So this is going to be an upload from your computer, which you can do directly through here. This would be the main featured ones, these would be the popular ones and the newest ones and the recently updated, which you can just basically search through this dashboard and not actually leaving the page at all. So that's what we'll cover in that video. Let's see what the last one's about. Obviously they're only teasing you here, they're only giving you a
in
limited
this
amount of
video, I'm going
information.
to show you how to add and use images in your WordPress posts and pages.
Okay, so basically he's going to go to post, he's going to add a new post, and then what he's going to do is going to show you how to pull in an image. There's two ways of doing it. You can do it through visual, which is like a Word document, or HTML, which is source. So to keep it basic, I'd use the visual.
So to get started, first log into your WordPress dashboard. Click on post and click on add new. So this is the screen where you add a new content post to your WordPress blog.
Yeah, so you got your title, then as I said to you, you got your HTML, which is the coding side of it, then you got your visual, which is like a Word document. So that's what he's going to explain, so I don't need to go into too much of that. So when I found this, I started looking around. I thought, well, what is the big buzz anyway? I've already covered a video on that, how to set up a WordPress website. The sitemap's important. I haven't covered that, but that's for indexing. And then it gives you guidance on domain names, depending maybe with different host companies and how to change a server and all that. So that's helpful as well. They talk about FileZilla, which is a file transfer protocol, basically to connect your computer to a remote server, which would be your host. They discuss about the control panel. I have done a brief video on that. That's for subdomains, and it works pretty well because it starts off with with the basics. So what is WordPress? I mean, I did a quick video myself. It's about, I don't know, 8 or 9 minutes. I mean, this is a 30-minute video, so you'll get a really good understanding of what WordPress is about, and it covers pretty much everything that I think would be important. I mean, you got automatically uploading and manually uploading, because there is a difference. If you buy a theme or a plugin, a premium one, you may have to do it manually, so it's good to know both ways. And obviously keeping it organized as well. I mean, there's a lot of information here. And yeah, you can basically progress at your own pace. 79 videos, incredible for the price. I just, you know, there's a lot of sort of advanced stuff, in WordPress. Add this snazzy thing, do this snazzy thing, and then the basics are not covered. Where this is excellent. I mean, even the Blogger, which is an auto content system as well, is also covered as well. It's excellent. Then they talk about themes. They talk about monetization as well. So they talk about Google advertising. They talk about publishing articles for monetization. Talk about ClickBank, which is an affiliated company which you basically get paid commission to promote other people's products. Talk about auto banners. Um, yeah, it covers a lot, a hell of a lot. I mean, the SEO side of things, people forget, or they don't really forget. They basically are unaware that you need to optimize your site, otherwise you're not going to be found or you're not going to rank well. So it covers a lot of that type of stuff. I mean, that most of these plugins are free. I mean, they're all free plugins. But the problem is you plug it in and you actually don't know what to do with it as a first time, and you get really confused. So this is a real a head start. I mean, you're going to fire off the starting block because you have everything pretty much in front of you, and you can take your time if you really get stuck into it, and within a couple of months you could be building a masterpiece quite easily. As I said before in my previous videos, it's just basically understanding how WordPress as a system works as an application, like a big Word doc. And talk about social media. You got your feeds and your Facebook and Twitter and all that type of stuff, so that's handy to know as well. Yeah, so when I stumbled across this, what I'm basically going to do is, because I'm reviewing this product, I'm going to do pretty much standard, just random videos to give you an idea of what you're going to be taught through this system. And I've done a few already. I mean, you can navigate the site, you can see. But yeah, for that price, I thought it was an excellent offer, and I definitely think it'd be valuable. So what I'll do is I'll shove the link at the bottom, and you want to get firing off and get going, rather go with somebody who's got a whole system in place, which is these guys. I mean, a lot of people are too high tech and they're missing the basics. Where this is a good system. Start from understanding it before you start. You play Mary Had a Little Lamb before you play Mozart. Simple as that. Okay, guys. I hope this has been helpful. Good luck.